So now we will start recording. This is our device and we do have two cameras. This is camera 1 and this is camera 2. Then on the mobile you will choose start new capture, and then you will connect your device. And when you connect your device, automatically the LED light here turns on. Then you will allow the Hamtech business to access the profile. You will select OK, and then you will select OK second time and then the screen will show you that the device is already connected. Then you will start recording. First of all, when you select record, it will show you here in this page. This is the most important page. You will start to choose the region you want to record. So first of all, it tells you that select the area to record. Here we have two options. We have the tongue side and the cheek side. So the tongue side is the side from inside the mouse, whether upper or light, or whether upper or lower, but it's inside the mouse. So this is the tongue side. And the other option is the cheek side, whether upper or lower as well. So cheek side is here and the tongue side is from inside. Here in this page you will tap the region of the teeth that you want to record. Then it tells you that use the toggle to switch between tongue and cheek sides, like I explained. And here it will be better to explain here on this model. Like first of all, let's say that we will start with the upper right here, but we will choose at first the cheek side, so it's the outer side. So we will select cheek side and then upper right. And here in the photo on the mobile phone, it's very easy to choose, like it's very clear what region you are choosing. And then automatically here it will choose the camera. You don't have to do anything. So after choosing the cheek side, which is the outer side, and after choosing this region on the software here, you will proceed to record. After proceeding to record, automatically it shows the camera 1, which will be on the outer side, which is the cheek side for the upper right region. And it's so easy to see it on the mobile phone, on the software. The photo is very clear. Where are you recording? And one very important thing is, while you're recording here your teeth, if at some point you just forgot where are you recording, or for example you continue to the other region or something, you can just check the mobile phone. It's written here where are you recording, so it's written in front of you that you are recording the cheek side, which is the outer side, and upper right side. Now we will start recording. So now the camera is active, the light is active, and everything is okay. How to record? First of all, you cannot like go back and forth. You have to start like one smooth way towards the teeth that are right here. So we will do like that. We will start here in the back, and then not too slow and not too fast. Just make it logical that the camera take all of the sides of the teeth. Take a video that is good normally, so that the AI can detect everything inside your teeth. So you will move like that with the camera. You will try to show everything. You can move the camera a bit here, a bit there, to show everything. You are seeing everything on your mobile phone, so you can adjust the focus as well. And then you can stop here in the midline of the teeth, like in the midline, which is here. You can stop, and then you will choose another region. Then after finishing, you're going just to stop here. Now we finished the first region. we can select and take video of the second region, which will be most probably the upper left. I mean, let's finish the upper part. So again, here in the same page, you will select record, and then you will choose the cheek side. Let's finish the cheek side at first, which is the outer side of the teeth. So cheek side, and here when you select the cheek side, it will gives you this highlight that you already recorded this part, so you don't have to rethink again where I recorded and where I forgot to record. So it's automatically highlighted here in green that now this one is ready. So your second choice automatically will be in the cheek side, in the upper, so it will be the upper left. So you will select the upper left and then proceed to record. Again, it will automatically choose the second camera that will record the outer part of the teeth. Now we will do the same thing again, like we will start to record from the back, and we will try to adjust the camera like any other camera we have. Try to focus on the teeth, try to get most that you can. Our device can also get all of the surfaces of the teeth and also a part of the gingival part, and we can stop here again at the midline. When we finished this part, then we can stop the record, and then you will have two choices. You can like play again, see what did you recorded, or you can delete the video if anything happened, or that you think that you can record another better video or something like that. Now we finished like two parts, two region. Then when you start record again, what will happen? We will select record, and we can finish, for example, the upper part of the teeth. So we finished the cheek side, and even if you forgot to do that, when you select the cheek side, it will highlight for you that already you did it. So now it's ready. So let's go to the tongue side, which is the inside the mouth side. So we will select it, and here it's nothing highlighted because you didn't record anything, and this is the best part of the software. So now you can select like the upper right again, this part, and from the tongue side, and then proceed to record. Now again it's selected automatically its camera, and now we can record. Now it shows the inside part of the teeth from inside the mouth. You can adjust the focus, you can see the occlusal part, which is the chewing part of the teeth, here until the midline, and then it's ready. Then to stop it, and then we can record again. Here the upper right from the tongue side, like from the inside side of the mouth, it's highlighted, it's ready. Now we do have only one part left, which we can do it the upper left, which is this part from inside. We can proceed to record again, and it switched automatically the camera. Now we can record, adjust the focus, try to see everything. And for sure, if you do have a problem inside your teeth that I mean, if you do have like pain here in this side, you can focus on this side. You can search what's wrong here. You can search for any black thing, any hole, any lesion in your gums, anything with the camera like that, and then you stop in the midline. Then you stop the record, and then the upper part is ready.